Good day. Welcome to the Body Smith. Many new and weird things to talk about. We had the big car show on the weekend. We haven't put out many videos. What's happened is Dad, Earl, had a, what do you call it? I think you call it a unscheduled rapid disassembly of his Buick. On the bright side, he got a helicopter ride. Anyhow, Dad banged up his car. He got flown in. He's on the mend. He's gonna be okay. He's got some repairs, no bolts or pins. He's gonna be all right. On the bright side, we are part of Canada. Don't have to sell the farm to pay for the helicopter ride. You know, that's pretty freaking cool. So right now, we're doing a little sedgeway, if that's the correct terminology. Michael came in. We're building a proper step for the side of Dad's house so that we're going to make it a little easier because, you know, we never quite got around to it. We're busy. We got cars to build, stuff we're doing, and we didn't make a proper set of steps. So now we're making a solid set of steps so when he comes home, he can wander up his stairs. We might have a ramp all the way right to his shop so he can get back to work. Because that's what he's talking about, of course, right? So on there's Princess. So anyhow, that's where we've been. We do have shirts now. I'd say probably by Sunday life will be a little bit more than normal. And we'll give you an email address if you're interested in some merchandise, some shirts. We have those. We have the Firebird out and about now. We're working on that. I learned something that Mr. Meticulous taught me a couple years ago. Pontiac wheels don't necessarily fit on a Camaro rear end. Why? Because the center of the axle on the back end, the rear end, is too big to fit on the Pontiac wheel. I put them on. It was kind of out of whack. Our friends John and Chris pointed that out to me, and I checked and they were right. So you can't put the Pontiac wheel onto the Camaro rear end, so now I've got to get different mags. I have a set of mags here somewhere in someone else's vehicle that I loaned them. We're going to put that on so Lou can drive the Firebird. We have the body on the Nomad. We got to work on the inners of that. We got all our Chevelle parts in. We're going to be playing with that. We're going to get back on a regular schedule, but for now, we're getting Earl on the mend. We're getting him back home. It's a good thing. We just want to help him out. Don't want to talk about it. I just wanted to let folks know why we're not ignoring things. We're not on holidays. Life happens. So now we're looking after stuff and we'll be back at her hard. But right now we got life to deal with. So it's pretty positive. We're pretty happy. My brothers are going to be around here giving me a hand. So it's really good. And Dad, hopefully he'll be home here fairly quick and he can try out. We're going to paint these up. Again, thanks Michael for the help. And we're going to put these in place. We got some gravel to level out his driveway. The car, it's not going to buff out. So all in all, I'd say life is pretty freaking good. So take care and we'll be getting back to you folks soon. Cheers for now.